Got leftover chicken in the refrigerator and not sure what to do with it? Well, don't toss it. Let's make it into something delicious. Hi friends, welcome back to Everyday Eats with Ellen. We're going to be making tasty chicken tacos, creamy chicken pasta, and my favorite, chicken fried rice. So let's get cooking. If you find these recipes helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more easy everyday meals just like this. And there you have it, 3 easy ways to give that leftover chicken a fresh, tasty twist. And if you have a favorite way that you like to use leftovers, drop it in the comments and let me know. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time on Everyday Eats with Ellen.